Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Romania. Nestled in the heart of Eastern Europe, Romania is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the majestic Carpathian Mountains to the enchanting castles that dot the countryside, this country offers a diverse array of experiences that are sure to captivate any traveler. Imagine wandering through the medieval streets of Transylvania, where the legend of Dracula comes to life amidst breathtaking scenery. Or picture yourself standing in awe before the iconic Bran Castle, a stunning architectural marvel that tells tales of history and folklore. Romania is not just about its castles. It boasts picturesque villages, lush forests, and the serene beauty of the Danube Delta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site teeming with wildlife. But it's not just the landscapes that make Romania special. The country is a melting pot of cultures, with influences from the Romans, Ottomans, and Austro-Hungarians, all of which have shaped its unique identity. Exploring Romania means immersing yourself in its rich traditions, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality. Whether you're hiking in the Carpathians, savoring local dishes at a traditional restaurant, or experiencing vibrant festivals, Romania promises unforgettable memories. So, join us as we delve deeper into the wonders of this remarkable country, uncovering hidden gems and must-see destinations that showcase the best of Romania's natural beauty and cultural heritage. Get ready for an adventure that will inspire your wanderlust. Transylvania, the land of Dracula. Welcome to Transylvania, a region steeped in history and folklore, famously known as the land of Dracula. This enchanting area is not only home to the legendary vampire but also boasts a rich tapestry of medieval castles, charming towns, and breathtaking landscapes. At the heart of this region lies Bran Castle, often referred to as Dracula's Castle. With its imposing towers and dramatic setting, Bran Castle has become a symbol of Transylvania. While the connection to Bram Stoker's Dracula is more myth than fact, the castle's historical significance is undeniable. It served as a royal residence and a strategic fortress, offering a glimpse into the region's tumultuous past. As you explore Transylvania, you'll discover picturesque towns like Sibiu and Brasov, each with its own unique charm. Sibiu, once the European capital of culture, is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and vibrant cultural scene. Strolling through its cobbled streets, you'll encounter colorful buildings, lively squares, and a welcoming atmosphere. Brasov, surrounded by the Carpathian Mountains, is another gem that captivates visitors with its Gothic black church and stunning views from the nearby Tampa Mountain. Speaking of the Carpathians, this mountain range offers a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you enjoy hiking, skiing, or mountain biking, the Carpathians provide a stunning backdrop for adventure. With lush forests, dramatic peaks, and diverse wildlife, the natural beauty of Transylvania is simply breathtaking. So, pack your bags and get ready to uncover the magic of Transylvania, where history, culture, and nature intertwine in the most captivating way. The Painted Monasteries of Bukovina. Welcome to Bukovina, a region renowned for its unique cultural heritage, particularly its stunning painted monasteries. These remarkable structures are not only places of worship but also masterpieces of art that tell stories through their vibrant frescoes. Among the most celebrated are Voronet and Sucevita monasteries, each showcasing exceptional artistic significance. Voronet, often referred to as the Sistine Chapel of the East, is famous for its striking blue exterior and intricate frescoes that depict biblical scenes, including the Last Judgment. The vivid colors and detailed imagery reflect the skill of the artists and the deep religious devotion of the time. Sucevita Monastery, another gem of Bukovina, is known for its elaborate frescoes that illustrate the life of Christ and the Virgin Mary. The artistry here is equally impressive, with a unique blend of Byzantine and local influences that create a captivating visual narrative. Both monasteries are recognized for their historical context, as they were built during the 15th and 16th centuries, a time when the region was a cultural and spiritual hub. In recognition of their outstanding universal value, these painted monasteries have earned UNESCO World Heritage status, highlighting their importance not just to Romania but to the world. As you explore these sacred sites, take a moment to appreciate the rich religious and artistic traditions that have shaped Romania's cultural landscape. The painted monasteries of Bukovina are a testament to the enduring power of faith and creativity, inviting visitors to connect with the past while inspiring future generations. The Danube Delta. A natural wonder. Welcome to the Danube Delta, one of Europe's most extraordinary natural wonders, where biodiversity thrives in a stunning landscape of waterways, marshes, and lush vegetation. This unique ecosystem is a vital sanctuary for countless species, making it a crucial area for wildlife conservation. As the second largest delta in Europe, the Danube Delta is home to over 300 species of birds, including the majestic white pelican and the elusive black-crowned night heron. Its rich flora and fauna create a vibrant tapestry of life that attracts nature enthusiasts and researchers alike. Exploring the Danube Delta offers a plethora of activities that allow visitors to immerse themselves in its beauty. Birdwatching is a popular pastime here, with dedicated spots that provide excellent views of the diverse avian population. Whether you're an experienced birdwatcher or a casual observer, the Delta's serene environment offers a chance to witness nature in its purest form. Additionally, boat tours are a fantastic way to navigate the intricate waterways, providing a unique perspective on the stunning landscapes and wildlife that call the Delta home. Recognized for its exceptional ecological significance, the Danube Delta has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This designation underscores the importance of preserving this remarkable area for future generations. As you venture into the Delta, take a moment to appreciate its unparalleled beauty and the vital role it plays in maintaining biodiversity. The Danube Delta is not just a destination, it's a celebration of nature's wonders that invites everyone to explore and protect its treasures. Sciasaura, a medieval gem. Welcome to Sciasaura, a charming medieval town that feels like a step back in time. Nestled in the heart of Transylvania, Sciasaura is renowned for its well-preserved architecture and enchanting cobblestone streets. As you wander through the town, you'll be captivated by the colorful facades of the houses, the towering clock tower, and the intricate details of the medieval buildings that have stood the test of time. Each corner reveals a piece of history, making it a delight for history buffs and casual visitors alike. One of the most intriguing aspects of Sciasaura is its significance as the birthplace of Vlad the Impaler, the historical figure who inspired the legend of Dracula. The house where he was born is now a museum, offering insights into his life and the turbulent times in which he lived. This connection to Dracula adds an air of mystery to the town, drawing visitors eager to learn more about the man behind the myth. Sciasaura is not just about history, it's also a vibrant cultural hub. The town hosts various local festivals and cultural events throughout the year, celebrating everything from medieval traditions to contemporary arts. The Medieval Festival, held annually, transforms the town into a lively scene of knights, musicians, and artisans, allowing visitors to experience the rich heritage of Sciasaura firsthand. So, whether you're exploring its historic sites, enjoying local cuisine, or participating in a festival, Sciasaura promises an unforgettable experience that showcases the beauty and charm of Romania's medieval past. The Carpathian Mountains. Adventure awaits. Welcome to the Carpathian Mountains, a stunning range that offers breathtaking landscapes and endless adventure opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts. Stretching across Central and Eastern Europe, the Carpathians are a paradise for those who love nature, with a diverse array of activities to suit every adventurer. The region boasts an extensive network of hiking trails that cater to all skill levels, from leisurely walks to challenging treks. One of the highlights is the Rurau Mountains, known for their dramatic peaks and picturesque views. Hiking here allows you to immerse yourself in the beauty of the surrounding forests and valleys, making it a must-visit for nature lovers. In addition to hiking, the Carpathians are home to some of Romania's best skiing resorts, attracting winter sports enthusiasts from around the world. Resorts like Poiana Brasov and Sinaia offer well-groomed slopes, modern facilities, and stunning mountain vistas, making them perfect destinations for skiing and snowboarding. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, the Carpathians provide an exhilarating winter playground. Wildlife encounters are another highlight of the Carpathians. The region is rich in biodiversity, with opportunities to spot bears, wolves, and various bird species in their natural habitats. Guided tours and eco-friendly excursions allow you to experience the region's wildlife while promoting conservation efforts. So, whether you're hiking through the lush trails, carving down the slopes, or simply soaking in the scenic beauty, the Carpathian Mountains invite you to explore Romania's natural wonders. Adventure awaits at every turn, promising unforgettable memories and a deeper connection to nature. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Romania, it's clear that this beautiful country offers a diverse array of attractions that cater to every type of traveler. From the enchanting castles of Transylvania, like Bran Castle, and the medieval charm of Siasura, to the breathtaking landscapes of the Carpathian Mountains and the unique ecosystem of the Danube Delta, Romania is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Each destination showcases the rich cultural heritage and natural beauty that make Romania truly special. We encourage you to explore Romania for yourself, whether you're hiking through the stunning trails of the Carpathians, marveling at the painted monasteries of Bukovina, or immersing yourself in the vibrant local festivals. There's so much to see and do, and every corner of this country has a story to tell. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about travel destinations and experiences, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts who might be inspired to explore Romania's wonders. Your support helps us create more engaging content and share the beauty of the world with others. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope to see you in our next video as we continue to uncover the hidden gems of our planet.